Hello. I'm going to quickly walk through how to create a website using OfferingTree's website creation tools. As you can see, our template website has a header, a featured graphic, a tagline, and an about section. Let's start creating our site. First, let's customize some of the site colors. Let's change the header background to something a little lighter. And let's change that header text color to something that doesn't quite pop out as much. Let's pick like a slightly gray value. That looks pretty good. And for the bottom about section, let's pick a little bit lighter background color. We'll pick something similar to our header text color. And for our accent color, let's get something else here. That looks pretty nice, but maybe it's a little too light. We want something that'll pop up a little bit more. Yeah, that's better. And maybe that's even a little bit better. Pops a little bit more. So now the colors are looking pretty good. Let's update some. Well, let's try updating the fonts. Maybe something a little thinner would look nice. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Maybe we'll change the body font to the same. That's looking pretty nice. Now we can start updating the content. This is where we'll put our brand name. Let's do something like Katie's Yoga. And we can update our feature, our logo. This would be a good spot for either a picture of you or a picture of your logo. With our upload tools, you can do some cropping. And we can change the featured graphic. We have stock photos that you can pick from here. You can also crop your stock photos. Then there's an option to either show the entire image or have it scroll as the user scrolls. Let's just stick with the default scroll behavior. That looks pretty good. Now we'll put something in for our tagline. This is just a little short snippet to give people an idea of what you're all about, what you're offering. An attention-grabbing headline here. We'll just put something in for demonstration purposes. Add a little disclaimer here, as this is just a demonstration site and not actually real. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's add a little bit of text, giving a little bit longer form answer about who we are and what we're all about here. So I'll just paste something in that I have off of another one of our demo sites to make this go a little bit faster. But in this section, you can do a few more things. You can add links, bold text, add different headers, format the text a little bit more. We'll just add a link here as kind of an example of what you can do. Once you create your site, you'll also be able to embed videos to this section and do a few more things. But in the interest of time, we'll just kind of move on here. The site looks pretty good. And now the next step is just to create our account. So this is pretty basic stuff. First name, last name, email address, password. Fill that in here. Just use a test email address. Come up with a pretty generic password. And this is an area here where we can customize our URL. So we can either have OfferingTree in it, our website will be katiedemo@offeringtree.com, or we can have a custom domain, like it would just be katiedemo.com. But we'll stick with the katiedemosite.offeringtree.com for now. We'll put in a profile image. This is your personal profile image. Could be different from your site logo. And we're done here. Let's create our account, create our website. And here you have a chance to purchase a paid plan. Some of the features in each paid plan are listed here. We've updated our pricing. So this pricing does not reflect the current pricing. We've reduced our pricing for the current COVID-19 crisis. And now we're done. We've created our site. We have a little help pop-up modal that pops up and with a little video, a little how-to video on how you can get started. And that's about it. So in about 5 minutes, we've created our site, albeit we know we've had content already created for us, which made it easy. I know creating the content is usually the hardest part of this thing, but technically it's pretty easy to do from a tech standpoint. So if you're not tech savvy, you shouldn't be too intimidated by this, hopefully. And we're always here to help you at support@offeringtree.com. Thanks for watching, and always reach out.